happy. Get your butt back in there. Get your butt. Where you going? You want to go in there? Okay, come on. Good morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, y'all. The kids are going to church, and I'm just here about to go run a little bit of errands this morning. I got to go to Walmart. Girl, I was holding this damn camera out of breath. I got to go to Walmart. I was supposed to be going to 5 and Below for Alex and get her some of this right here, but I might just get her mine because I don't feel like it's going all the way out Hampton today. Yeah, just Walmart, back home, clean up, take out something for, take something out for dinner tonight. Nails are still holding on, y'all. I thought I would match my sweater today. I got on this, gray knitted sweater and these pants I got from Rainbow. These pants I got from Rainbow too. Yeah, y'all, so I was about to put my hair in a ponytail right quick and get ready to go out here and start this car up and let it sit for a minute. I was going to do my wig, makeup, and all that stuff, but I'm not in the mood to do none of that this morning. I'm just trying to get to the store, come back, clean up my downstairs area, cook dinner tonight, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, that's all I'm thinking I'm doing today. Like, I'm really not doing much today, y'all. But I do want to put myself together right quick. Right fast. So yeah, that's what I'm finna do. I probably stopped by Starbucks and get me a matcha because I wanted matcha yesterday. I didn't get my matcha yesterday because I didn't get out the house till late, and then I just wasn't in the mood to get no matcha yesterday. Let me sit y'all now. So I didn't get no matcha yesterday, but I'm gonna get some matcha today. Y'all can't really see me, but I'm about to stick this hair back in a ponytail and do my little bun. And then, yeah, so that's what we got going on this beautiful Sunday. And the sun outside and everything, y'all. I'm like, I love days like this. Baby like, oh, I like rainy days. I'm like, I'm not a fan of rainy days. I mean, I thank God that he's watering our earth. But I don't like rain, y'all. I don't like rain because it just makes me feel so depressed. It made me sad. Rain make me sad. I don't know. Rain, some people say it's relaxing and all this stuff, but rain make me sad, y'all. Gloominess make me sad. Like, I don't know. I'm more of a sun type girl. Like, if the sun is out, yeah, we in there. But if the sun ain't out, I'm depressed. I'm real depressed, y'all. So I gotta remind myself to text my sister today and let her know Christmas at my house this year. Hopefully she comes, because she ain't come to Thanksgiving at my mom's house. She ain't even come. But she loves me, so she gonna come to my house. I mean, she loves my mama too, but I feel like she getting tired of my mama cooking a little bit. Like, I don't know. I think she just getting tired of my mama cooking. I'm not saying that's what she said, but I'm just saying that's crazy when you're a professional ponytailer. I can put my ponytail in without even looking. It's because I know exactly what a ponytail's supposed to be. But anyway, y'all, I'm just chatting it up with y'all. I don't know how my earrings be coming out my ears at night. I have no clue. This long ass piece of hair in the back. I'm thinking about letting my hair stay out today. Like, don't put it in no bun today. And just let the shit stay out. I don't know. What y'all think? Should I let my hair out? No, I don't like it either. I'm about to put on my pistachio please from Fairy. I'm assuming how you spell it. I love the smell of this shit. It smells so good. Like, smell like pistachio. It smells so good. So good. I don't know how I be losing my earrings, y'all. At night when I'm sleeping, my earrings be coming out my ear. I'm confused a little bit. I'm like, what the heck? I do have a fight with the goddamn pillow. Oh, what's going on here? It's gotta be Bay texting me. He texts me 17 times out of the day, y'all. I be like, boy, we ain't gotta talk about the same thing. Oh, that's my sister. Hey, sis. $12. That's what I'm gonna do. I might just go get my sister since I'm already gonna be up that way. I'm already going to Walmart, so might as well just get that little $12 from her right now. It's more than nothing, you know. I'm gonna put down my little upper side burns. I'm trying to lay off on the side. Y'all can't see me. I'm trying to lay off on the sides because I'm thinning on the sides again. And now I'm done. Girl, she gotta go meet at Walmart then, cause I gotta go to Walmart. I'm already up there. I got a text her and say, you gonna have to go meet at Walmart then, cause I gotta go to Walmart. You gonna have to go meet at Walmart then. Cause, oh yeah, I'll be back. I gotta get this shit to. What are you doing? What you over there doing? What you over there doing? What you trying to be information? Huh? Hello? You gonna have to go with me to, oh, I ain't said it right. I gotta go to Walmart. That's the only reason why I said yeah, because I'm already going that way.
Oh, cool. I can run in there and get me some.
All right. Dang, gee, sucks. Woo. All right, we gotta go downstairs and get my stuff. I'll holler at y'all guys when I get in the car. Y'all just having a field day today, y'all. Anyway, I just went to Starbucks, got this ass green, like, it's just, ugh. It is not good. Like, I should have said sugar-free vanilla. Because it's not giving. It's definitely not fucking giving. Where y'all going Rainbow for? Rainbow open already? Oh, it's so dark in there. It's open, but it looks really, really, really dark. Come on. Oh, this shit ass, yo. I'm waiting for my sister to come out of there now, but this matcha is not giving matcha this morning. This matcha is giving ass. Like, it tastes weird. Like, it tastes like grass. They ain't over here? Well, why the fuck your son not beside you? Why the fuck is he walking behind you? Y'all know me. I don't give a none of that. I'm like, why the fuck is your son walking behind you? Your son's supposed to be walking beside you or in front of you. Why is your child walking behind you? I don't never let my kids walk behind me. I'd be scared. Except my oldest daughter, because I know she can. But my little ones, no. They gotta walk beside me or in front of me. Because people crazy. Anyway, y'all. I don't even want to take a picture of this nasty ass shit. I'm so mad. Y'all, I'm so fucking mad. I had this matcha this morning. If I had time to take it back, I would have took it back. But I don't got time. I'm trying to hurry up and get home and clean my house up. Come on, me. I'm waiting for my sister. I'm gonna put her ass on camera. Put her on candy camera. My throat starting to get sore. I think BDB had a sore throat because my throat's starting to hurt now. Alright, let me see. I'm about to take a picture of this nasty ass shit. Just so I can have a thumbnail picture. Starbucks falling off with the matcha. Bro. I don't know what's going on. I'm putting her on candy camera when she get in here. Y'all gonna see my sister. Cause I always talk about my sister, but I don't think y'all ever seen. Have y'all seen my sister before? I'm not sure if y'all ever seen my sister before. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if y'all seen my sister before. But her ass finna get exposed today. Cause she playing games on my top. Oh my God. I gotta get my settings on my phone right. Cause I don't like my settings on my phone. I need to, just in case the folks want to see. Just in case the folks want to see. Y'all got some good editing apps for like photos? Cause I don't have no good photo app like to like edit my pictures. That shit nasty as fuck. Like I don't got no good editing apps for my photos. I mean it's cute, but it's not giving luxury. You know how the girls be doing it? They photos be real lux. They photos be real lux. I need to learn how to like get better editing. I need to look up a photo editing app on TikTok that people use. And look at my baby, y'all, when she was little. Look at my Alex. That's Al. And my friend Victoria. When she was little, she put it on her story yesterday of Alex. I was like, oh, who is that? I'm like, that's you. Don't you like your own face? You still look the same. You don't look no different. You just look older. But your nose, your mouth, everything is still the same. The big lips, she has some soup coolers. Her daddy got big lips. Her daddy got real big lips. Y'all ain't never seen their daddy. I'm about to show y'all their daddy. I don't know if I can find him on Facebook. Jannard. I'm about to show y'all their daddy. My kid's father. Right quick. If y'all even care. I know y'all don't care, but me and him not together no more. We ain't been together in damn near 10 years. So, I'm trying to get a picture where you can see him. I don't know if you can see him. You can't even really see him in that one. Let me get the other photo he got. It's old, but you can see him. Look at this photo. What my sister? I heard people talking. I don't hear her ass talking. This is my kid's father, y'all. Ugly. Yeah, that's my kid's father. All three of my kids' father. I probably say that, y'all, because the world we live in. Women younger than me got multiple baby daddies, and they baby daddies ain't dead. They ain't. Even though my baby daddy ain't shit, I take pride in having one baby father. Because the only way people be having these baby daddies, they be having like multiple fucking baby daddies. I'm like, and the baby daddies don't even be dead. Like, I be like, the only way I was gonna have another baby daddy if my baby daddy had passed away. That's the only thing. If he would have passed away, I would have had another baby daddy. But now I can't have no more kids, so I don't even care. I'm just rambling, talking to y'all. I've been on here for 6 minutes talking to y'all. I don't get nothing to talk to about. I ain't nobody to talk to. People probably think me weird. Look who the fuck is she talking to? My phone nosy. Y'all in my business. I want my own car, y'all. I'm ready to get my own freaking car. They claim we gonna work on getting a car, but I'm like, you gotta get your license first, bro. How we gonna get a car if you ain't got a license? I'm damn sure not gonna put it in my name. I ain't putting nothing in my name. Is you coming today or tomorrow? Like, what day you coming out? I'm about to say, what day you coming out the stuff? This is today or tomorrow? What day you planning on coming out the store? Today or tomorrow? Oh, shoot. I forgot my thing don't. What day? That's why it's connected to my name on thing. What day you planned on coming out the store? She's about coming. Coming means you walking literally out the door. That's what coming means. Bessie's smoking again. She's smoking real bad too. That's why I gotta hurry up and go to Walmart and come back home. Because my car is still smoking real bad. That's because the oil is burning off. I gotta get my oil valve fixed. I said, I don't mind taking my best friend to work because she right over town. It's my mama. Her is far. But anyway, y'all, I'll talk to y'all guys. Oh, I got that too. That little piece of hair on my chin. Oh, this lady picking her hair on her chin. I got that too. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's over there. I wait till mine grow out long and then I just pull it. But anyway, y'all. That's on my face. I'm talking to y'all the whole time with this shit on my face. Anyway, y'all, I'll talk to y'all guys whenever my sister decides to come out of the stove. Here she come, y'all. I'm gonna see if I can get her on camera without her noticing. Let's see. Don't be yelling at me. I was wondering what day you was coming out that motherfucker.
That damn line long as shit. It's one person working in that motherfucker. They just got another girl on.
You know Bessie be smoking. I had to cut her off right quick.
Why am I on record?
Oh, my bad.
Hey, I'm fine.
Alright, y'all. Your girl is back home. Oh, girl. I don't know what it was today, y'all. Hold on, let me cut Aaliyah's face off right quick. Aaliyah's face. Aaliyah's face. Or was Aaliyah's with an S face? I don't know. I'm watching Aaliyah's face. She put a vlog up like 3 days ago. I'm just now watching it. Anyway, that ain't what I came back up here for. I don't understand why today my anxiety was kicking in real fucking bad. Real fucking bad, bro. Like, I'm not understanding. I come to show y'all my makeup brushes. I know this ain't as clean as it can get, but I only got one sponge. I need to find my other sponge. I got 2 sponges, but I only had one in there. And then now my makeup brushes are clean and ready to be used again, which I probably use them. I don't know. Do I want to get tipsy tonight? Because Monday I gotta get up and meet everybody. I don't know. It's Sunday. I ain't doing all that. I probably make chicken fajitas tonight. But look at my brushes after a year. My brushes look so fucking good. It's hair. Hair come from. Ooh, hair right there. Oh, my brushes look so good after a whole year of not washing my brushes. Which is nasty because I didn't wear makeup like that. So I was like, fuck it. But now I'm going to start washing my makeup brushes every 30 days. Or every 2 days. I don't know how often you're supposed to wash your makeup brushes, but I think every 30 days or every 2 weeks or something like that. Because I am when we putting makeup on my face. I got to use up all this makeup I got, y'all, so I can go buy some more. But yeah. Yeah, I got to use up all. Y'all ain't never seen my little drawer. Have y'all? Yeah, because I did a little reel. Let's bring y'all in. Turn this around so I can bring y'all down. Oops, I'll turn y'all the other way. Turn y'all the other way. Okay, this is my little makeup drawer right here. And I need to use up all this makeup. I don't know how long it's going to take me to use all this makeup, but I need to use it up because it's been sitting here. I'm so scared to tell you how long I had this makeup. And I don't know how long you're supposed to have makeup. But I got 4 foundations I have to use. No, it might be more. Hold on. Nope, it's more. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 foundations I have to use. I only got 2 blushes. I need to use this blush again. I ain't used this blush in a minute. And I just bought some eyelashes yesterday, as y'all seen me buy these eyelashes. I don't like these ones because the band on them is too hard. But I do love these. The IMV. I mean, it's the same, but these ones are more, like the band is more thick on this brand than it is. It's still the same brand, but it's luxury. This is more thin. The band on these are more thinner. I should have got 6 instead of 3, but whatever. And I got this. Then, oh, that's what I do need. Damn it. I went right to the store and forgot fucking setting spray. I have no setting spray for my face. I have no setting spray. I'm gonna have to go. I might got some setting spray, but I need some setting spray for my face. I only got a little bit of this left. A little bit of that left. And then I got a little bit of the one size. Just a tad bit of the one side. Oh, this for my weed. I don't put that on my face. This powder that I bought. Let's see. And it's crazy because makeup don't have a fucking expiration date. Which is wow. Why the fuck? But I need to use this up too. Because I done had this for a while too. So I need to use that up. So all the makeup I don't use on a regular, I'm going to use now. So that I can go ahead. Like I just bought this concealer. Which I need another one because I really like this one. But I don't even know why I'm going through my makeup. Girl, none of this is important. But I'm going to just start using up the old makeup in the end so I can get more makeup. I can get the high-end shit. But anyway, y'all. My makeup brushes are clean. So I'm excited about that. Yeah. So I'm back home. Oh, what was I saying about Walmart? Oh, that's what I was saying about Walmart. My fucking anxiety was through the fucking roof this morning and in that damn Walmart. Like, I don't know why I was feeling so anxious. Like, so anxious, y'all. I was confused. Y'all, I don't know. I just felt real anxious today, which is real freaking weird. Because I was like, why am I feeling like this? I don't know why I was feeling like that, y'all. But anyway, I'm about to probably go clean up this kitchen. I want to make chicken fajitas tonight for the kids because I don't really want no like no big healthy meal. I don't want a big healthy meal today, like baked pork chops or whatever. I don't want none of that. I just want something real quick and easy, and I think those will work for me. The quesadillas. I should take my meat over there and make my best friend make them. Like, best friend, can you make me some taquitos tonight on the flat grill like you did last time? I might go chill with her for a little bit today. I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure yet. She said she gonna call me when she get her hair done or fixed or whatever she doing to it. And I'm probably go over there and chill with her for a little bit. I gotta tell my mom I didn't see her rod. She did. I got a green one, but I don't think she want green though. I think she said red, or I might got a green rod in there from last year when I did my tree. I mean my you know the thing you hang up your wreath with. I need to go look. Y'all wanna go look with me? I don't know. Wait a minute. Let me check. Make sure everything is alright in there before I show y'all. Hold on, y'all. Wait a minute. Let me move this dang old bike out the way. You gonna put this bike away. I'm tired of moving every year. Alright. Oh, I got you what I got from Walmart. Walmart bread. Oh, why am I wasting snacks when I can't pass there? Will. Okay. She good. All right, let's look in this and see if. Let me look in here and see if I got any. If I have a hook from last year. I don't think I got my hook. This is stank. It smells like plastic. I don't even have my. Yeah, I don't have a hook from last year. I don't have a hook from last year. Shit. But I do got them big hook things that you hook up on your you know them plastic little hooks that you can get from like Walmart, Dollar Tree, the little hooks. If she can get a big one of those and like put her wreath on it, it might look okay. It might, cause that's what I did. Matter of fact, I did that last year because I ain't had no damn hook. I'm gonna tell her, go get a big hook and put your tree like on the top, like you got a hook, make it look like you got a hook, but you. And then, girl, I'm out of breath. I'm always out of breath. Sorry about that. I'm gonna lock this door. The kids being from church. Yeah, I'm gonna tell her about that today because finding a hook right now at the end of Christmas time, because they already started to put out Halloween. I mean, not Halloween. They started to put out Valentine's Day stuff. I'm like, I got me some 100% cranberry. So this has no sugar. Cranberry. Oh, let me see. Because you know they be saying no sugar, and then you look on the back and say sugar in it. No added sugars. No sugar added. No added sugar. So it's still the sweetness, but it's not added sugar. So, you know they be lying. You gotta look at the back of the line. Then I got my favorite. I think y'all already seen me get this stuff. Toothpaste. My favorite mouthwash. Yeah, this is and I just got 2 pieces for the kids. This is what they gonna eat for lunch. I got pepperoni and this one. So that's what they gonna eat for lunch because I ain't finna I ain't finna cook right now. But yeah. So I'll talk to y'all guys a little later. I'm about to chill when I get ready to clean up the kitchen, I'll take y'all with me when I clean that kitchen. Y'all, I swear, my kids be tearing my house up. Like, what in the heck do they be doing? They be tearing my house the fuck down. So let me go ahead and start cleaning, and I'll talk to y'all guys later.